Choosing the right PC case is a crucial decision for any computer enthusiast or professional. It not only determines the aesthetic appeal of your setup, but also plays a vital role in ensuring optimal airflow, cable management, and overall system performance. In this video, we'll delve into the world of the top 5 best PC cases on the market, exploring their features, design elements, and compatibility with various components. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, a workstation for content creation, or a sleek home entertainment center, we'll guide you through the top options to help you make an informed decision that aligns with your needs and preferences. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Fractal Design North XL. Transform your gaming experience with the Fractal Design North XL Chalk White TG Clear. This stunning case combines style and performance in a way that few others can match. One standout feature is the ability to support E-ATX, ATX, MATX, and MITX motherboards, giving you immense flexibility for your build. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, you can use any standard motherboard without compromise. Compatibility with a GPU up to 413mm ensures that high-end graphics cards fit comfortably. This spacious design allows for impressive performance without the worry of overheating. If you plan to include a front radiator reaching 420mm, choose from a wide array of cooling solutions to keep your system running smoothly. Radiator support is another highlight. It accommodates front radiators up to 420mm and top radiators up to 360mm. This versatility gives you options for effective cooling, ensuring that even the most demanding setups stay chill during intense gaming sessions. Another benefit includes 3 included 140mm aspect PWM fans, which stir up great airflow while operating quietly. Wonderful for users who want a serene experience, these fans jumpstart your build with reliable cooling right out of the box. While the case shines in many areas, some may find its all-white exterior a bit challenging to maintain. Dust and fingerprints can show up easily, so have a microfiber cloth handy to keep it pristine. What I love most about this case is its beautiful design paired with functionality. Its striking appearance makes an excellent addition to any gaming setup. In terms of features and style, Fractal Design North XL Chalk White TG Clear stands out from competitors. Check it out for a blend of aesthetics and performance that is truly unmatched. Number 4. MSI Premium Mid Tower. Ready to level up your gaming setup? Look no further than the MSI MPG Gungnir 110R. This premium mid-tower gaming PC case combines style and functionality, making it a top pick for gamers and PC builders alike. Firstly, the tempered glass side panel is an eye-catching feature. You can proudly display your ARGB fans and components. It eliminates obstructions, enhancing your setup's aesthetics significantly. You'll easily gain a view of your build while flaunting those mesmerizing lights. Furthermore, MSI has included 4 ARGB 120mm fans. These fans truly elevate your customization options. With MSI Mystic Light support, you can tailor the colors to match your mood or room decor, creating a unique vibe in any gaming space. Another standout is the Insta Light Loop button. It provides instant access to different ARGB lighting effects. Switching between lighting profiles feels smooth, making it easy to experiment with styles. Accessibility shines through with USB Type-C support. Bridging a USB Gen 2 Type-C port gives you lightning-fast data transfer at 10 gigabits per second. This feature enhances your overall connectivity experience, especially when using MSI motherboards. While some might feel that the two-tone design could clash with certain setups, it actually adds a refreshing touch. It stands out among the competition without overwhelming your space. What I love most about the MSI MPG Gungnir 110R is how effortlessly it blends aesthetics with practicality. Its superior airflow and customization options make it a delight for any gamer. Eager to transform your gaming rig? Dive deeper into the exciting features of this incredible case today. Number 3. ATX Mid Tower Case. Upgrade your setup with the Be Quiet Dark Base PRO 901 Black BGW50. This case truly shines in performance and design. Its interchangeable top cover and front panel let you choose between maximized airflow or whisper quiet operation. This versatility stands out, especially for users who need different solutions depending on their gaming or working environment. Installation becomes a breeze with the fan and radiator brackets. An integrated fan hub at both the front and top simplifies connecting multiple fans. You'll find it much easier to create an efficient cooling solution that suits your needs. Plus, with 3 silent wings, 4 PWM fans included, expect virtually inaudible operation combined with excellent cooling performance. Other cases often struggle with noisy cooling solutions, but this model excels. Using the touch-sensitive I/O panel is a real treat. It feels modern and intuitive, making operation seamless. This stylish interface truly enhances your experience while maintaining a sleek look. Generous dimensions support E-ATX motherboards and radiators up to 420mm effortlessly, accommodating the latest components without any hassle. What I love most about this case is how well it balances aesthetics and functionality. It's not just about looks, it's built for high-performance gaming and demanding tasks. However, it may be on the pricier side compared to some alternatives. Yet considering the features and quality, the investment is worth every penny. In conclusion, this model stands apart from the competition. If you want a case that offers flexibility, silence, and solid performance, check out the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 Black BGW50 today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. LIAN LI LANCOOL 216. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate gaming chassis, look no further than the LIAN LI LANCOOL 216. This mid-tower PC case combines style and functionality like no other. Firstly, its airflow focus makes it stand out from the competition. Enjoy the benefits of 2x 160mm ARGB front fans and a 140mm rear fan, all pre-installed. This combination ensures your components stay cool, even during intense gaming sessions. Moreover, fine mesh panels improve ventilation, preventing heat buildup. Building your dream PC becomes an absolute breeze with this case. Features like a removable top radiator bracket and innovative rear PCIe fan bracket enhance installation ease. Cable management also receives a high-tech upgrade with ample pass-throughs and Velcro straps, so your setup remains clean and tidy. What I appreciate most about the LANCOOL 216 is its spacious design, offering compatibility with large NVIDIA 4000 series cards up to 392mm long and 180mm high. It caters to those who demand top-tier performance. Plus, you can install additional storage with ease using dedicated mounts for 2x3.5-inch HDDs and 6x2.5-inch SSDs. While the extensive features impress, some users may find the size a tad cumbersome. However, this larger footprint ensures adequate room for all your components, enhancing airflow and cooling efficiency. In summary, LIAN LI LANCOOL 216 excels as a performance-focused case with impressive aesthetics. If you're aiming for a superior gaming experience, this PC case should be at the top of your list. Check it out for your next build. Number 1. Fractal Design North XL. Looking to elevate your gaming experience? Check out the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark. This case brings together stunning aesthetics and outstanding features. First, you'll appreciate its elegant design. Sleek wood and alloy details complement any setup beautifully. This case fits E-ATX, ATX, MATX, and MITX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. You can install a GPU up to 413mm or slightly less with a large radiator. This flexibility allows for impressive graphics performance. Cooling potential is another highlight, capable of housing front radiators up to 420mm and top radiators up to 360mm. Your components will stay chill during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the three included 140mm aspect PWM fans push air effectively, enhancing airflow throughout the case. Well-cooled components mean better performance and longer lifespans. What stands out most is how user-friendly it is. Managing cables becomes simple, allowing for a clean and organized interior. This neatness not only looks good, but also improves airflow. Compared to other cases, this model offers superb accessibility and space for upgrades. While I'd love to see more color options, the charcoal black finish gives a sleek and modern touch. Not everyone may prefer this monochrome look, but it pairs well with most setups. To sum it up, the Fractal Design North XL offers a perfect blend of form and function. Consider this case for your next build and enjoy its impressive features and stylish design. Don't miss out. Explore this impressive option today. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.